Shut up and sit down.
Hey everybody, and welcome back to Financial Phoenix. If you're new to our channel, we are all about saving money, making money, and dreaming big. Today I'm going to share with you a couponing deal that anybody can do at Dollar General this coming Saturday, June 13th. This is a really easy deal that is super beginner friendly. It requires absolutely no paper coupons at all, and it will save you a lot on items that you can definitely use around your house. So if you're catching this video after Saturday, June 13th, 2020, the deals will no longer be valid, but I think this is still one that we're going to add to our beginner couponing playlist because it's just a really easy deal, I think, to do. And I think it's a good educational deal to introduce new beginner couponers to how couponing works at Dollar General. So if you've never couponed before or are new to couponing at Dollar General, I'd recommend checking out that playlist, which will be linked in the description box down below. There will also be a printable list for this deal linked there as well, so you can take that to the store with you. Let's go ahead and get started. So first things first, I just wanted to show you these Bic razors. You want to make sure you're picking up this 10 count right here, Bic sensitive single blade razor disposable razors. They're $2.85, and we're going to go ahead and use this coupon for $2 off of any one Bic disposable razors. It's got to be single blade, twin blade, or Bic Comfort 3. It just excludes the trial and travel size. So that's important to read the coupon because, right, this picture doesn't look like this package over here, but it does meet the requirements. It's single blade, 10 counts, not a trial travel size. So we're going to go ahead and take $2 off of this item, making it just 85 cents. So we're off to a really good start already. Next, we're going to go ahead and pick up another Bic razor, and let me go ahead and, I'm kind of skipping around on my deal here, but I wanted to show you while we're kind of in the same vicinity. These Bic disposable razors right here, the Bic Soleil. So this is $3 off a Bic Soleil disposable razor, and again, just excludes trial and travel sizes. So let's go back to our Bic razor page. Now there are some $5 ones, some $3.25, but remember we want a Bic Soleil and we're looking for the best price. So we're going to go ahead and pick up this $3.30 Bic Soleil razor, and we're going to use this $3 off digital coupon, making that item just 30 cents. So again, off to a really great start. And I did scan this item in the store. It does qualify for this coupon. Remember, you can use your Dollar General app on your smartphone to scan products in the store to see what coupons they qualify for, which is really, really helpful. So that's super good. So now we've got our razors out of the way. Let's go ahead and look for some. I don't think we can search the greeting cards on here. That's one thing you can't do. But we're going to go ahead and pick up 3 of the American greeting cards. Make sure they're priced at least $1 a piece. So that will be $3. And we're going to use this Dollar General store coupon to save $1.50 off of 3. So making it half price basically. So we really like that. Half price is good. So now we've got 2 Bic razors and 3 greeting cards. Awesome start. Next, we're going to pick up 2 of the Gain dish soap. I don't think the scent matters. It's just $2 a piece, and we're going to use this digital coupon for saving $1 off when you purchase 2 Gain dishwashing liquid products, 21.6 ounces or larger. So that's going to be this size right here. So go ahead and pick up 2 of those. Use that $1 off coupon. And we're also, while we're in this household section here, going to pick up 1 bottle of the Fabuloso. So let's take a look at that. Okay, so this is the 56 ounces right here. It's $2.85. And that's what you're looking for. It's between the 48 and 56 ounces. So use this $1 off coupon on this, just making it $1.85, which is really great for cleaning products. And then I think last in this section, we're going to pick up some dish detergent tabs. Now, I don't know about you, but dish detergent tabs for the dishwasher seem to be one of the things that are a little bit harder to coupon for because the coupons are usually not quite as high value as some of the other coupons that we get, maybe for personal care stuff and things like that. So my threshold for what I think is a better deal is a little bit higher on dish detergent and trash bags and things like that than it is other ways. Oops. Okay, so I searched quantum finish. Let's put dish and see if that helps. Okay, so the size that I want is not coming up here for some reason when I search. I'm not sure why, but I'll just go ahead and show you in the weekly ad. So this is the weekly ad for this week. You can get the Max in 1 24 count or the Quantum 22 count, and it's going to be $6.50, and you're using this digital coupon right here for $2 off, making that just $4.50. But it will be lower at the end when we do everything else that we're going to do. Okay, next we're going to pick up the naproxen sodium. This is like a pain reliever, fever reducer. It's 24 tablets for $2.50, something that we all can use. But you want to make sure you're getting the DG Health brand and not one of the name brands here. And you're going to go ahead and go to the health section, healthcare of your coupons, your digital coupons, and pick up this $1 digital coupon on any naproxen sodium tablets, 24 count to 200 count of the naproxen sodium. This is a DG store coupon. So go ahead and use that and pick up that. So that'll be $1.50 for that item. Also, before I forget, I want to remind you guys about the Dollar General clearance sale coming up tomorrow, the 12th, through Sunday, the 14th. Dollar General will have clearance items 50% off of their clearance price, and when combined with coupons, that can make for some really, really epic deals. So check out our clearance sale video to see what coupon matchups are available this time around. Great deals on things like Tide and other laundry products, so definitely check it out. But last but not least here, we're going to go ahead and pick up a toothbrush, something we can all, always have an extra toothbrush around the house for yourself or for guests. We're going to pick up a manual Oral-B toothbrush. I want you to pick up the indicator. It should have indicator in the name. That's the one that I know for sure qualifies for this coupon. It's $2. And we're going to go to our personal care section and clip this digital coupon for $1 off any one Oral-B adult manual toothbrush, and it excludes a couple different types here, but the indicator is not one of them. So go ahead and pick that up for $2, take $1 off, pay just $1. The most important coupon of all to make sure that you have clipped is your $5 off of 25 digital coupon here. It is valid, as you can see, only on Saturday the 13th. Dollar General does this every Saturday, and this is really how we do our couponing at Dollar General. We use that extra $5 off the $25 purchase to get things even cheaper, and combining that with the other coupons that we use makes for some really great deals. So make sure you have that clipped. Because this is a digital deal, all you have to do is go up to the register, put your items on the counter, let them get scanned, and make sure that you have hit this $25 total pre-tax. Make sure you've hit that, and then once the cashier hits total, go ahead and put in your phone number for your Dollar General digital account. Make sure all these coupons are clipped on there, and you'll see those coupons start coming off really quickly once you put in your phone number. And then whatever's left over, no paper coupons, like I said, will be your total plus tax. So for this transaction in particular, you're looking at a $27 subtotal pre-tax. So we should have $27 total worth of merchandise there. And then after all of your digital coupons as well as your 5 off of 25 come off, you're looking at an out-of-pocket cost of just $10.50 for 11 items before tax, or 95 cents a piece. And that's really good. $10.50 is under half price what you'd pay for these items, if you just walked in and picked them up. So if you're paying under half price for something or less than $1 per item, which is cheaper than you can get it at the Dollar Tree, I'd say you're doing pretty good, especially as a beginner couponer. This is, I think, a great deal to start with. So if you're new, definitely check this deal out. And other than that, it's pretty easy. It's as easy as that. So Thanks so much for checking out this video. Smash the like button if you found it helpful. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of the great deals that we have coming out. You can always follow us on Instagram and Facebook as well. On Facebook, we are FinPhoenix, and on Instagram, we are financial_Phoenix. And you can follow us there for more deal alerts, freebie offers, all kinds of stuff. And other than that, we will catch you next time. And remember to save money, make money, and dream big. Bye, everybody.
Shut up and sit down.